In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable screenshot on PayPal. If you've ever tried to capture something on your PayPal screen and weren't sure how to do it, this is a very quick and simple method you can use. What we're really doing here is using your computer's screenshot tool to capture the specific part of the PayPal page you need. This is helpful if you want to save a payment confirmation, document a transaction page, or keep a visual reference for your records. To begin, open PayPal and go to the page you want to capture. Make sure the information you need is clearly visible on your screen before taking the screenshot. Also, take a moment to check whether any private details are showing. If you're sharing the image with someone else later, it's always a good idea to crop out or hide anything sensitive. Once you're ready, use the snipping tool shortcut from your keyboard by pressing the function key together with the print screen key. On many keyboards, this opens the screen capture tool and allows you to select exactly what you want to save, instead of taking a full screenshot of the entire display. If nothing seems to happen right away, just give it a second and look for your screen to dim slightly or for the capture interface to appear. Next, select the part of the PayPal page you want to take a screenshot of. Click and drag over the area you need, whether that's a transaction detail, account page section, or another visible part of the screen. Try to capture only the relevant section so the screenshot stays clean and easy to read. This also helps avoid including extra information that isn't necessary. After you release your cursor, the screenshot is taken, and there you go. Your selected PayPal screen has now been captured. Depending on your device settings, the image may be copied directly to your clipboard, saved automatically, or opened in a snipping tool window where you can review and save it manually. If you want, you can then paste it into a document, message, or image editor. And if you need to keep it for future reference, make sure to save it with a clear file name so it's easy to find later. That's all it takes to capture a screenshot on PayPal using the snipping tool shortcut. It's fast, easy, and useful anytime you need to save part of what's on your screen.